Hey guys, how's it going? How to use Perplexity AI for language learning. So you can go ahead to Perplexity, and primarily Perplexity AI designed to and as a research assistant, but can be creatively used for language learning. For example, ask for definitions or explanations of words in a specific context. For example, what does, right? What does this word serendipity mean in English literature, right? And then hit enter right here and request the list of synonymous or antonyms, to expand your vocabulary. Next, you can use it for grammar and usage. Like for example, should I when should I use will versus going to in English, right? And hit enter. And you can use it for practice reading comprehension. For example, provide a challenging sentence or paragraph and ask for simpler explanation, or paste a text and request a summary to practice extracting key points, right? You can learn through translation. Request translations between languages you're learning, then analyze the structure and vocabulary, like this sentence, give me or just what does it mean? What does it mean in my language, right? And then you can use it for topic specific research, right? Use it to learn about traditions, history, or customs in a language native culture. Like, what does America or yeah, what's American food or beverage, right? Or tradition. You can use them. So basically, you can use it for as multiple things to learn languages. But remember, primarily, Perplexity AI designed as a creative assistant. Be specific and focus on relevance and supplement your learning. Use Perplexity AI alongside traditional resources like apps, Duolingo, or Anki and practice with native speakers. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.